here, if it is within 2 kilometers and the population is more than 10,000, but less than 1 lakh, if your land is anywhere, in this, from here, within 2 kilometers of radius, where the population is more than 10,000, less than 1 lakh, if any land is situated in that, that will be called as urban. If it is beyond 2 kilometers, having a population of more than 10,000, less than 1 lakh, it will be treated as rural. Likewise, from here to here, if your land is situated within 6 kilometers from here, it is 6 kilometers, within 6 kilometers, and population is more than 1 lakh, less than 10 lakhs. In that case, any land situated in these places, anywhere in the 6 kilometers diameter from the municipality or cantonment board, then your land will be treated as urban land. On transfer of that land becomes taxable. And if your land situated within 8 kilometers, where the population is more than 10 lakhs, then your land will be treated as urban land. Okay, this is what they have defined here. From the local limit means municipality or cantonment board limit, if your land is situated less than or equal to 2 kilometers and the population is more than 10,000, less than 1 lakh, if your land is there, that will be treated as urban. Urban land is always taxable. Rural land is always exempt. Okay, this is the definition of rural area. Understood? Any confusion? Any confusion in this? Okay. Tell me, your land is within 1.5 kilometers and population is 12,000. Whether it is rural or urban. Urban, sir. Why urban? Less than 2 kilometers. Less than 2 kilometers, but the population is more than 10,000. Okay? You have to see both. If it is less than or equal to 2 kilometers, if your population is 9,000, then it becomes rural. Understanding? You need to test both. How the kilometers will be measured? Based on aerial. understanding? Okay, if they specifically ask the question relating to urban or rural, I mean only with respect to this, you need to understand properly. Normally, they will clearly tell it is urban land or rural land. If the normal capital gain question, if they ask specifically to identify rural or agriculture, they may give few transaction relating to the kilometers and the population. You need to ascertain whether it is rural or urban. In that case, you need to know what is the population limit and what is the distance. Next. The asset could be capital asset, can be long term or short term. How to define long term and short term? Based on period of holding. Period of holding means the day when you became the owner, from that day till the date when you make a transfer. During that period, if you are the owner of the property, then it will be treated as long term or short term. Yeah. What are the assets will be treated as long term? What are the assets will be treated as short term? Based on the period of holding is the crux of entire capital gains. Okay. Long term, short term. If we will go by this 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. Okay. From bottom up approach we use. If any asset held for more than 12 months, it will be long term. Less than 12 months, short term. What are all the assets? They are given this. See, listed securities. Listed. What does it mean? Listed means what? It has been listed in the recognized stock exchange in India. Listed shares or securities. Shares, not only shares, securities. Securities has a wider meaning than shares. Okay, if it is listed securities, if you hold it for 14 months before the sale, then that gain, whatever you realize, that will be treated as long term. If any securities you transfer which has been held by you for a period of less than 12 months, it will be treated as short term. Okay, when you make the sales. Units of equity oriented fund, zero coupon bond. Same thing, less than 12 months, more than 12 months. Okay. These two. Next. Any asset, if you held it for 12 months or more, I mean, if you exactly held it for 24 months, it is short term. When more than 24 months, it is long term. How to calculate month? From the date of purchase to the date of sale, you need to calculate the month. Okay. If held it for more than 24 months, long term. Less than 24 months, short term. What are all the assets covered? Unlisted shares. Unlisted shares. And immovable property. If you have building or land, you want to sell that building, In that case, if the period of holding from the date of purchase by you to the date of sale, if it comes to 26 months, if you are selling at a profit, the gain whatever you realize, that will be treated as long term. Understood? Any other assets which doesn't fall under these two categories, if you hold it, falls under this category. If you hold it for more than 36 months, it will be long term. If you hold it for less than 36 months, it will be short term, like jewelry, debenture, furniture in case of a business furniture, intangibles, everything falls under this 36 months category. More than 36 months long term, less than 36 months short term. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Let me be very frank. I cannot complete each line by line. I will have to leave few things. Hence, whatever I am not covering here, you guys have to read yourself. If you guys have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, because this is comparatively very huge chapter. Okay, I may not cover each and every detail, each and every